Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back in with a quick tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to play the Modern Warfare 2019 campaign in 2024. I really just want to draw attention to this Reddit thread I found. Credits to Riccioli. I'm going to drop the link to the thread in the description, but I just wanted to walk you through it because I actually did it and it works. So first you want to download the game from the Xbox app on your phone. You can just download it from the App Store, search for the game on the app, click it, and there should be a button that says download on console. You may have to link your console if you've never done it before. Super easy, just follow the instructions in the app. Once you've downloaded it, go to the Microsoft Store on your Xbox, search for Modern Warfare, click on it, scroll all the way down to the Included In tab, and you're going to see, you can select an edition. So you want to select the Standard Edition. It's going to bring you to a new page, and you're going to want to scroll all the way down. It says add-ons tab in this guide, but it's actually, I think it's included in again, and you want to download all the packs there. There's campaign, multiplayer, and spec ops. So make sure you download all of those. Once they're downloaded, you're going to go and launch the game from your Xbox. Go and click on campaign, and it's going to show you a list of everything you just downloaded, and it's going to tell you that it's actually not installed. So what you do is you click on all the ones you just installed, campaign, spec ops, etc., and it's going to take you to a new store page, and you're just going to want to install them again. Super dumb, but this is what you have to do. So make sure you install them again. Once those are installed, you're going to want to close the game, open it back up, and launch it online, and you should be able to play campaign. It worked for me. It should work for you. Anyways, guys, peace.